Hello everyone. Um, Today I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your funds from Payoneer directly to your bank account. So, without wasting much of your time, let's move forward. But please, before we go any further, if you are just coming across the channel for the first time, kindly click on the bell notification icon, subscribe, share, and like our videos. That way, I get to do more videos for you guys, and I'm motivated to keep on doing more of such videos that contain much value for you guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's move ahead into what I have for you today. So um, from the beginning, initially, Pioneer did not allow for direct withdrawals. You had to use some kind of third party, money exchangers and all of that, where you send your Pioneer funds to them, and then they send you the equivalent in Naira. But over the years, Pioneer has also stepped up their game, and they currently now allow you to withdraw money directly from your Pioneer into your Nigerian bank account without having to go through any exchanger. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today, how to withdraw your funds from Pioneer without having to go through any of the money exchangers and all of that. So let's move forward and let me show you how it's done. So as you can see, I'm in my Payoneer account. This is my dashboard, and I currently have about $85.98 in my Payoneer account, and I want to withdraw that money in Naira. So basically, I'm in my dashboard. All my balances are showing, and I click on the home button, and you see that I'm there. So I just click on the withdraw. So once I click on the withdraw, it's going to take me to this page, and it's going to ask me a number of questions. So now, if you don't already have your bank account added to your Payoneer, you have to do that first. I have already added my bank accounts, but for those who don't know how it is done, if you are yet to add a bank account, all you need to do now is you see it told you can withdraw to your personal or company bank account. So you simply just click add new account, and then it's going to take you to another page. Okay, and then you now click bank account for withdrawal. So it's going to display the bank accounts you currently have if you have already. Then you now click. So now I have my domiciliary account and my savings account added. So if you now want to, if you don't have any account, you're not going to see anything here. But even if you do have, I think you can have probably about three bank accounts. So I don't know. I have two already, but it's still asking me to add. So if you click on the add bank account, it's going to ask you a number of questions. Bank account type, personal, business. If it's a personal account, select personal. Then you select the currency. If it is a Nigerian bank account, you select it. If it is a Naira account, if it's a dollar account, you select. So here is where you select the currency. If it's going to be Naira, you select Naira. If it's a Naira account, you select Naira. If it's a dollar account, you select US dollar. If it's Euro, domiciliary account, you select that. And then this has one is a Naira account. And then you click on next. And then it's going to ask you for the details that you're going to add. It's going to ask for the name of the bank, the account holder's name, the bank account number, when you confirm your details, and then you click next until you get to the final stage and your bank account will have been added. And by the time it's added, they're going to review your account for depends, it could be from a couple of hours, a few minutes to a number of couple of hours. And once your account has been reviewed and found to be valid, you will receive a notification from Payoneer telling you that your account is okay and you can now use it to withdraw more funds from Payoneer. So I don't know. I hope my explanation is clear to you. And if it is, well, I'm happy. But if it's not, you kindly leave your comments, leave your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer them. So let's go back to the withdrawal part. So we're back to the dashboard, the home page. And then I'm just going to click withdraw. Then I'm going to click on my, I'm withdrawing from my US, I'm withdrawing from my Payoneer account in US dollars, and I want to withdraw to my savings account, which happens to be this account. Now, how much am I withdrawing? I want to clear out everything, so that'll be 85.98, which is about 31.934 naira. Now, I observed that it's kind of not, it's, if you look at the current exchange rate now, you realize that this, what they're offering is quite lower than what they should be offering. But considering that this option is still better than using the money exchangers, the money exchangers might not even give you a rate that is as good as what your Pioneer themselves are offering. So I think I'd rather just stick with this and use them. So $95.98 translates to 31.934 naira. So I'll take it. You write a description if you want to write one, but as you can see, it's optional. Click on the review button. Then you get the summary page. Amount to be deposited may be subject to fees, charges by banks or third-party providers. By clicking withdraw, you confirm the withdrawal details above. Yeah, I confirm. So I just click withdraw. And they are going to send a verification code to my phone number. I guess just to be sure that it is me, there's no one trying to hack into my account or something. The code just came in, so I'm going to type it in here. And then I'm going to click submit. Now, as you can see, your funds are on the way. Transaction ID, blah blah blah. You send your confirmation email shortly. Check that the email for details on when your funds will reach your bank account. And that's it. So I'm going to get an email notification which will tell me when the money will hit my account. And all I have to do now is wait for the notification and my credit alerts. So that'll be all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want to see more of such videos on how to, kindly leave a comment below and tell me what you enjoyed about this video. And do like and subscribe, share the video as well. That way I can make more of such value-packed videos for you guys. So that'll be all for today. Thanks a lot and take care and goodbye.